means welcome in Irish. How are you?
Great, thank you.
Awesome.
Well, Reuben was sitting on the railroad tie with a little girl on his knee. She whispered softly in his ear, Reuben, you don't love me. Oh, morphine, that's all my poor heart craves. 25 cents.
Really looking forward to hearing more music from you later.
We're super excited to hear some tunes from you too, Enda.
Ciao amici italiani.
Gora mila.
I love that gal, God knows I do. I love her till the day that I die. In the fat gal, she don't love me. I take morphine and die. Oh, morphine, that's all my part.